the way down to the dam.
Yeah, there was.
So there it says, expect delays due to construction. But there's a big delay if you follow the detour signs round.
Expect delays due to construction.
I thought they built this dam in 1935. Huh? It's like a socialist speed they're doing it at. In fact, it's the road that's being rebuilt.
Nothing special on the paper.
All new graveyard specials. It said about the armed forces and then it said about the graveyard specials. Do you know what that sign means? It means goats are building the road. It's because they can't get people to build the road, so they've got to get goats to do it.
All the time I rode here was nice without any such traffic. I don't know what's happened.
Building something. The goats are building the road, so it's probably too slow for them. Now, because goats have to eat a lot, so they need longer meal breaks. Because what they eat is not so good, not so healthy. So cows, for example, can have to eat about 8 hours a day. So it's probably similar with goats. It looks like the moon. Well, what I imagine the moon looks like. I haven't been to the moon myself. They have traffic jams on the moon as well, apparently.
That's not a bridge.
It's a bridge for the motorway. It's being built. It's a support. This is a support which is being built.
This here, I think, is pulling back the wires.
No, it's a support. Look on the other side as well. It's a suspension arch, or whatever it's called. Not close. It's an arch.
This is pulling the cables back.
No. Look, the bridge is going to be up there. This is one of the supports for the bridge, which is up there at the end, and the bridge is under construction.
You think this is a bridge?
Absolutely.
Huh.
Amazing. What a construction. And the road will come round there instead of going round here.